This one product can almost do everything. Not literally everything, but it does quite a bit. And that's going to be a rinseless wash. Now, the brand that we use is called Optimum No Rinse. Now, most quality rinseless washes are gonna perform the same. So I'm not focused on the brand itself, just the type of product that it is. The great thing about this is that it's in concentrate form, meaning you dilute this product to your needs. Now, most of the time, the one dilution ratio that we use it at, we use it for everything. So I think it's 256:1, if I'm not mistaken. Just look at the label on your bottle and it's gonna tell you how to dilute it. So this 1 gallon will give us dozens and dozens and dozens of spray bottles. If you look at the other video I made about the one product that you need, that is an all-purpose cleaner. That 1 gallon size in concentrate form will give us dozens and dozens and dozens of spray bottles. So between this gallon of rinseless and the gallon of all-purpose cleaner in concentrate form, you're able to get a lot of uses out of it. Now, the next thing on why it's so valuable is that you can use it for many different applications. So one thing I talk about a lot if you're running a detailing business is you want to use the least amount of products to do the most amount of applications. And this rinseless wash helps you with that, because when you dilute it, you can use it as a glass cleaner. You can use it, its primary function, as a rinseless wash. If your vehicle is not that dirty and it can take like a very light cleaning, a light wash, a rinseless wash is perfect for that. If you need to clay bar your vehicle or use a clay media to clay your paint, it can also be used as a clay lubricant. Now, if we take the rinseless wash and we put that in a spray bottle, right? You can also use it to touch up the wheels. Like, this wheel is not excessively dirty, so spraying a bit of rinseless and just wiping it down cleans it perfectly well, right? So if you're doing a light cleaning, if you want to do some touch-ups, that's perfect for that. This is also great for the interior. Obviously, you can clean the glass and the mirrors. If you are just doing like a maintenance cleaning and you're gonna go out for a trip, or you just got back from a trip and you just need to wipe down the dust and debris, you can use this with a towel and literally just wipe down the interior. Since you're not, and it still has a bit of cleaning ability, so it will remove smudges and marks and stuff like that. So it's such a universal product. And it doesn't stop there. Let's say, for instance, you like this engine bay is not overly dirty. And if you don't want to overcomplicate it by using a pressure washer and all that, this rinseless, even given the condition that this engine bay is in, it's lightly dusty. It would help if you would want to rinse it off, but let's say you don't want to rinse it off, you don't have a pressure washer, don't have a garden hose, don't whatever. This in itself, by just spraying it and put it there and wiping the plastics down, because remember, this is still, the engine bay is still just plastic and rubber. What's essentially the same material that's in your interior, plastic and leather and vinyl and rubber, right? So this is basically just cleaning up right now. Granted, this is just road debris, like dust. If this was like oil and stuff, okay, that's a different conversation. But this is just the most maintenance style cleaning. It's gonna pick it up and do its job. Like this, that's why we use this so often, because it does so much. Now again, if you need a more aggressive cleaner to specifically take off some grime or something, yes, this probably won't do it. But for majority of the touch-ups and cleaning and washing, this one product will do enough. Now that, like, we still have a dedicated glass cleaner because like we just have that product, but like we use this off at least 50% of the time. We use this to clean the wheels, the glass and mirrors. Again, for the interior, this is great for a maintenance style cleaning where like you're just wiping down the dust, debris, a little bit of finger marks, a little bit of grease or oil from you eating some greasy food, some slobber from a dog. Like, this will clean it all up. Like, this is like, I'm not here, and this channel's not here to sell you more products. I'm not telling you that you need a glass cleaner and a clay lube as a separate product and a car wash as a separate product. And this one thing can do all of this for you. And why need 7 different things? Like, this one product diluted properly can handle a lot for you. Now let's try this as a clay lubricant. We have a washed part right here. I'm gonna spray onto the clay bar. I'm gonna spray onto the paint itself, and it is gliding effortlessly. Now, the trick with clay bar, or if you're using a clay mitt, clay pad, clay towel, is you want to make sure it's lubricated. So that is a big piece to it. But like, look, like it's not getting stuck. Like it does its job. This is what we use with paying customers that are getting a wash and seal or a paint correction. We use this clay lubricant that the same dilution ratio and it gets the job done. And we have offices here at the shop, so like we use it to clean the glass and mirrors in the shop, and we use it to wipe down the counters. Like we use it for a lot of things. So just make sure you purchase it in, if you want to get like multiple uses or multiple bottles, make sure you're purchasing it in concentrate form. Don't buy the ready to use one, because ready to use means a 16-ounce bottle. You use that 16-ounce bottle as it comes, and then it's done. That's why you want to get, like, so like you'll need to buy the gallon, and you need to buy a spray bottle and a trigger. But again, that 1 gallon will last you a very long time. Like, you're gonna save so much more money by buying it in concentrate form versus a ready to use cleaner every single time.